In this example, we've created a collapsible panel. When the heading is clicked, a panel appears. It disappears when the heading is clicked again. We can create a collapsible panel by creating a div and setting the class value to panel group. Inside that div, we create another div with two classes, panel and panel primary. Next, we create a div with the class panel heading. We can insert our title inside this div. Here, we've used an h4 element in this example. It contains the class panel title. Inside the h4 element, we have our a element with a data toggle attribute set to collapse. We also have a href attribute, and this is set to the name of the div that contains the panel content. That div can be found here. You can see that the ID matches the href attribute in the a element. We also have two classes attached to this div, panel collapse and collapse. Next, we have two divs, one with the panel body class and the other with the panel footer class. As you learned earlier, these contain the body content and footer content for the panel. You can insert whatever body content you want here and the footer content